a strategy with a very high win rate. Now, what is this strategy? I've done this video maybe once or twice, but let's do an in-depth video today. DeLorean. That's what the strategy is, right? Now, many people don't know about this. These are things that you need to know. You need to know risk to reward. You need to know compounding. You need to know how much to open your account with, how much to trade with. Now, preferably for me, $500 or more is what you should open up your account with. You should only trade with 2% or more. So that means every time you spend $1, you should be making double back. That's what risk is. 1 to 2 or more. So for every dollar you spend, you want to make at least $2 or more every time. Now, if you do that and you take that, now imagine this, right? You take 10 trades, you lose 6 of them, you win 4, but you're still making 4% profit. So let's say you had $1,000, right? You lost, let's say you lost about $60 to $80, but you just made back over, you went 4%, so 2%, 120. You made back $180. So you made back all the money that you lost, and now you're $100 in profit. This is basically how the DeLorean strategy works. This is what it can put you at if you master the strategy, you follow the rules, you follow the basics, and you just put yourself in the best position to win. Now, compounding. Many people don't know what compounding is. This is where you compound your money. Now, if you remember that compound interest formula that you learned back in school, this is the same thing that applies in a foreign exchange market. Your goal is 5% daily. So now if you get 5% times 5 trading days, that is 25% gain. But like I said in a previous video, you do not want to trade every single day. Only about 3 to 4 days out the week you want to trade. Some days you can trade Mondays, but Tuesday through Thursday is the best day for you to trade. But you know you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna lose trades, you're gonna lose money. So 15% should be your weekly goal. If you do that 15% times 4 weeks, that is 60% every month. So let's say you have $1,000 account and you're bringing in anywhere between $300 to $600 a month. Now you're making minimum wage of what somebody is clocking in at a job to make. You're bringing in close to $2,500 to $3,000 a month just from trading, following the compounding rule for the DeLorean strategy. Now let's keep going. The 4 steps that you need to know is BCLS, bigger cut location space. Is one candle bigger than the other? Is a line cutting through the other line? Is a line cutting through the 2 candles? Where's the location of these candles? And do you have space? If you have yes to all 4, you take the trade. If you get a no to any one of these questions during these 4 steps, you do not take the trade. Now here's an example. These are the 2 candles to the left of a red arrow on the DeLorean algorithm inside of I Am Master Academy. Yes, that's what I use. I Am Master Academy is a good company. I don't care what anybody has to say. There are bad people in the company, but the company itself is a good company. Now, the best app out there on the I Am platform is DeLorean. Now, you're going to see the 2 candles to the left of a red arrow. A red arrow means you're going to sell. A red arrow means you're going to sell. So, to the left of that red arrow, you have 2 candles. Your red candle must be bigger than your blue candle, right? Your red candle must be bigger than your blue candle whenever you have a red arrow that tells you to sell, right? That's step 1. Now, we're going to go to step 2. Is a red line cutting through both your blue and your red candle that is to the left of your red arrow on the DeLorean platform. Just follow me through with these steps, and I will also show you it in real time so you guys can understand. Now, this is step 2. Step 2 is a red line cutting through the 2 candles to the left of the red arrow that we mentioned. The red arrow is telling you to sell. Remember I said that. Right here is what we're looking at. This red candle and this blue candle. Is the red line cutting through? We can follow. Yes, it's absolutely cutting through, so we got a yes to this question. So we got a yes to the first question. Is this red candle right here bigger than this blue candle? Yes, it is. Step 2, does the red line cut through both candles to the left of this red arrow, which is telling us to sell? Yes, it is. Now let's do step 3. Now, the next thing we want to look at is this little skinny light aqua line right here. We want this aqua line to be closely above anytime we're selling. If it's closely above, we're looking to make money. If it's closely above, you have a great opportunity to make money. So right here, it is closely above the 2 candles to the left of this red arrow, which is telling us to sell. So that is a good indication. Now, all we need next is step 4. Do we have space to make money? What does that mean in a foreign exchange market? With the indicators that we use a lot of EMAs and a lot of lines. That means if no lines are in our way and we have nothing but blank space, as we see below us, we have a great opportunity to make money. So guess what? At that red arrow there, which tells us to sell, we will enter the trade. We should be in profit within 3 candles or less. What does that mean? For each candle, it's worth 30 minutes. So within an hour and 30 minutes, we should be in profit. 30 times 3 is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So first candle, we're not in profit. Second candle, we're not in profit. But the third candle, we absolutely in profit. So guess what we do? We stay in a trade for another 3 candles. The first candle, second candle, third candle, we're still in profit. We take some of our money out and we exit at the bottom to take our bread for the day.